If you don't have space available on your handlebars to mount your blind spot mirror, and you intend to attach it to your windshield instead, then begin by centering the provided gear sticker on your windshield. Remove the 3M adhesive guard from the base plate and stick it behind the sticker. Place the spring washer onto the thread of the screw on the ball joint and screw the ball joint into the back of the base plate. Slide the other spring washer onto the other ball joint and screw that into the back of the blind spot mirror. Loosen the arm and attach it to the first ball joint. Tighten it just a little bit, and then attach the blind spot mirror on the other side. Then completely tighten the arm and adjust the blind spot mirror to your desired viewing angle for optimal riding. So for those of you who don't have a windshield or don't have enough space on yours, we have also included a handlebar mount. In a similar fashion, you can attach your blind spot mirror to your handlebar mount for safe and fun riding.